Hi Jessica, hi Rachel.
Hi, I'm Kathy Waterworth from Toronto, Ontario, Canada.
My name is Della, and I'm an application developer from the Northern Virginia area.
My name is Mark Jones. I am the core user group leader in the United Kingdom.
Hi, I'm Justina, Salesforce admin.
3 years ago, I came across a hashtag for 100 days at Trailhead. I thought it was just a trendy hashtag, and since it was only a few days into the new year, I started my own counting. At first, I thought it meant that you had to get one badge each day. Boy, did that stress me out when I couldn't finish a super badge in one day. Eventually, I learned several things.
As with many people during COVID, my hours at work were cut to almost zero, so I knew I had to switch careers. After studying 50 hours a week for over a month and using Focus on Force practice exams and connecting with the participants in 100 Days of Trailhead, I was able to secure a sales job with another company. With over 700 applicants, they told me that the key factor to my hire was my Salesforce certification.
After attending my first Women in Tech Developers meeting, I made the last-minute decision at the end of last year to do 100 days of learning for the 100 Days of Trailhead Challenge. Participating in this challenge has so far resulted in my dedication toward earning at least one Trailhead badge every day, contributing to a learning mindset. So far, I've installed Visual Studio Code with Salesforce CLI and contributed to my soft skills knowledge, which are workplace essentials.
Back in December, before I started kind of working towards getting involved in 100 Days of Trailhead this year, I'd just hit 50 badges. And as the time of recording, I am sitting now at 297 badges, 3 away from becoming a 3-time Ranger, whereas back in December I hadn't even hit 100 badges. This year I've been able to achieve 5 super badges.
With the 1 hour learning commitment every day, I have completed more than 250 badges, multiple project badges, that allowed me to extend my Salesforce knowledge and excel myself in app building.
Seeing how supportive the Salesforce community is on Twitter, as well as being able to connect with them, has been tremendously inspiring and worthwhile.
So if you're not already signed up, sign up now and make a note in your calendar to be ready to join us on January 1st. Thanks, and see you on the trails.
It's a great program to give you this additional push to achieve more.
At the end of the 100 Days of Trailhead Challenge, it's going to be a win for anyone who participates at any stage of the game. So I'd highly recommend doing this, if not now, next time. Go to 100daysoftrailhead.com to learn about this and more.
And if you're not involved in the campaign right now, I want to encourage you to take part in it. It's never too late to sign up. You can do so by following the guidance on 100daysoftrailhead.com, and it'd be really great to have you in along with us.
Rachel and Jessica, I thank you again for 100 Days of Trailhead community because I wouldn't have been able to do it myself. For anyone looking to change careers, this is your moment. Put in that hard work and you will be recognized. Keep yourself accountable, bet on yourself, and keep going. You can do it.